What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video I have got my hands on completely newly released brand new wking D9 60 watt outdoor wireless Bluetooth speaker, which is very much portable design with inbuilt microphone, 40 hours of playtime, 12,000 milliampere hour of battery life, can work as a power bank, which means you can charge up your mobile phone or tablet on the go. Come with a waterproof rating of IPX6 with NFC and micro SD card slot, which make this portable Bluetooth speaker independent of playing music on your pool parties or beach parties without your mobile phone. Well, let's not forget it, speaker also supports true wireless stereo connectivity, so you can connect two of them together and enjoy a fantastic 120 watt of output. Well, in my video reviews, I tend to go extra mile, showing each and everything about the product I am reviewing. This is a product review which will start with the unboxing, following with the demonstration and ending with my conclusion. And I time to time do comparison videos as well, which are quite many at this moment of time. So I will be definitely comparing this wking with all other top brand Bluetooth speakers like a JBL Extreme 3, Sony SRS XP43, Anchor Trans and Transco Party speaker, and many more to come in future. And let's not forget about the very important comparison between a D8 and a D9. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away jump into unboxing, where with the speaker you are getting one 12-month warranty card, one multi-language supporting user manual explaining to you each and everything you should know about this speaker, one 2-meter long braided USB-C type charging cable, one braided 3.5mm auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, and in last but not least, wking D9 60 watt portable wireless Bluetooth speaker, which is completely a brand new design if compared with the D8, where the front of the speaker is covered with the metallic mesh with 4 line drivers, 2 subwoofers and 2 tweeters for great sound output, covering all range of frequencies as well, and a huge passive radiator on the back. Now all the buttons to control the Bluetooth speaker are available on the top, and an NFC tag as well for seamless connectivity with your mobile phone. And within the control buttons you have a power on and off, multifunctional volume control and navigation within your playlist, play and a pause and call attend button, and an equalizer selection button, which also come with the status indicator light for your battery level as well as the equalizer settings too. Whereas all input and output ports are available on the back. Inside the watertight compartment, where you have an access for USB-C type charging, a reset pin to restore the Bluetooth speaker to factory default settings, 3.5mm auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, a micro SD card slot which can go up to 128 gigabytes of micro SD card, so you can store quite a lot of songs in there, a USB-A port which is an output port to charge up your mobile phone or a tablet on the go if you want to. And always make sure to remember that when you're using Bluetooth speaker outdoors, this compartment should be closed tightly. Now under the base of speaker there are 2 anti-slip pads which will help you to put the speaker on a flat surface when it's pounding hell of a bass. And in between both anti-slip pads you have got the specification of your Bluetooth speaker, which clearly specify that what input power should be used to charge the battery. Now honestly speaking, if I look from the build quality and design side, wking had improved quite a lot from D8. The handles, the shoulder straps are completely gone. They came up with this handle design. It is pretty okay, but I'm going to comment on it in the end of this video to show you what my thoughts are on that. But from the build quality side of it, it is perfectly solid Bluetooth speaker. To connect this speaker with your mobile phone is easy and straightforward. Simply power it up first time by press and hold on the power on button for a couple of seconds. You're going to hear an audible sound as well. Now on your mobile phone, by going into the Bluetooth settings, within available devices you should be able to locate D9. Click on that one and click onto the pair button. Again, you're going to hear an audible notification on your Bluetooth speaker. Now we are good to go and straight away enjoy the performance of this Bluetooth speaker. It's time to go ahead with the performance, where first we're going to check out the microphone performance on D9 Bluetooth speaker. Now the sound you're going to hear from onwards is actually recorded on this wking D8 Bluetooth speaker. I suppose it would be a pretty better one. Honestly speaking, I have not heard it. You will be the judge of it to tell me that it is good, bad, or whatever it is. Now let's go ahead and go for the audio output performance. I'm sure most of you will be looking forward for that. Now within this test, I'll be playing some royalty-free music from YouTube, which will be concentrated over vocal instrumentals as well. Volume will be played at the high volume and the low as well, just to give you an idea that how would be the output quality. And I would highly recommend every one of you to use earphones or headphones if possible. couple of days I will be releasing a video comparing wking D9 with D8, or you can just go ahead and check out the video description. Video might be there for you ready already. Here we are in the end of this video, and I try to show each and everything possibly I can do in one video about this wking D9. Now to start with, everything seems to be perfect, to be honest with you. If you see an improvement from wking D8 to D9, it's got a 60 watt power output. All the bass and the treble which is coming out of it is fantastic, a crisp quality as well if it's compared with the JBL Extreme 3, which is 3 times the price of this wking D9, to be honest with you. I will be releasing a comparing video soon, so you stay tuned for that if you want to. But if you ask from my opinion what I think about this Bluetooth speaker, it is fantastic. It is very much improved version of wking D8 for sure. Now, the things which I don't like about this Bluetooth speaker is that handle, to be honest with you. It's non-removable. They should have thought about removable handle. Handle is there, it's good, great, fantastic. But removable would have been fantastic, to be honest with you. Or if somebody know how to remove it, please write me down in the comment section down below. Now, handle being there permanently on the top, it's also a hindrance to having access towards the NFC tag actually as well. Look at this. It doesn't look very good, to be honest with you, and that is the only thing which I don't like about this speaker. Other than that, it is a fantastic buy, to be honest with you. You are getting more for your money on this wking D8 for sure. Now that would be completely all from my side. If you still have any more reservation about this speaker, let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you want me to compare this speaker with any other speaker of your choice, also write them in the comment section down below. Now that would be full stop and all. Bye for now. See you later.